So anyway, we are going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to type in Chrome. The best option should say Google Chrome. So you want to right click on it, and then left click on Open File Location. So now you should see the shortcut for Google Chrome right here. So you want to right click on it, and then left click on Properties. There should be a Start In folder here. And then you want to left click on Open File Location. So I'm going to minimize out of the other windows. You can close out of them personally if you want. Now we see there should be a folder that looks like a lot of decimal places after it. This should be the current product version of Google Chrome you're using. In some cases there might be multiple folders that look like this. So you want to replicate this result for any folder that might look like this. So you want to double click on it. And then you want to scroll down until you get to chrome.dll. Should be pretty close to the top here. What you want to do is left click on it and then either right click on it with your mouse or hit the delete key on your keyboard. You want to basically delete this DLL file. So this will take a moment, so be patient. And then once that's done, you can close it out. Let's jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Command Prompt. You want to right click on Command Prompt, which should be the best match, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. And now in this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig. So ipconfig space /flush DNS. There should not be any space in between the / and the flush DNS. There should only be a space in between the ipconfig and the /. And then once you have it as it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter. And then once you've done that successfully, you want to type in NET SH space winsock, so WINSOCK space reset. So again, NETSH space winsock space reset. Then you want to hit enter. And then the output should be, if you typed everything in correctly, it should say that it has reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. I would recommend you restart the computer at this point in time after you